Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we will look at sample cue card. The cue card is describe a time you got up early. So let's begin with this cue card. Describe a time you got up early. You have to cover the following cues. When was it? Why did you get up early? What did you do after getting up? How did you feel about it? Now let's go with the cue card. Here is the sample answer for this cue card. Well, waking up early in the morning is a good thing as this keeps people ahead of others. But I am not the type of person who likes to get up early in the morning as I usually sleep late at night. Here I would like to talk about an occasion when I had to get up extremely early in the morning to pick up my brother at the airport. Actually, my big brother lives in the UK. He is very close to my heart. Last year, he decided to visit India after a couple of years so we can meet each other. When I got to know about it, I was over the moon. So I decided to go to the airport to receive him. His flight was scheduled to arrive at 8 o'clock in the morning at the Amritsar airport, which is around 200 kilometers from my hometown Ludhiana. Therefore, on that day, I woke up at 4 a.m. and after getting ready, I began my journey at 5 o'clock. I took my best friend with me so he could also assist me in driving the car. I have to say I was feeling a bit tired due to getting up early. On the way to airport, we stopped at a roadside restaurant where both of us had a cup of coffee to avoid sleep. Because of less traffic, I reached my destination at 7:30 am. So we had thought to take some rest in the car before the arrival of the flight. I was waiting at the exit where the passengers were coming out from the airport. Suddenly I got excited to see my brother and we hugged each other. So that was the time when I got up extremely early. Now we will look at the follow-ups for this cue card. The very first is, why do people get up early? Well, people, especially women, wake up early to complete their household chores. They have to prepare tea and breakfast for the family, so they have to get up early. Then, people also wake up to follow their routine, like going to a morning walk or the gym or temple. For example, I like to visit a nearby temple in the morning, so I usually get up at 5 a.m. What kind of situations need people to arrive early? I believe individuals should always arrive before on time on some important occasions, like official meetings, job interviews, and medical checkups. This would help them analyze the conditions, which would give them more some confidence. In addition, they should not be late for personal events like birthday parties and marriage ceremonies. Next question is, why do some people like to stay up late? I would say some individuals stay late at night because of multiple reasons. Some stay up late for their work because they get disturbed in the daytime and at night they can concentrate better. Some individuals watch TV or use mobile phones until late at night, so they sleep very late. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we live on social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you so much for being here.